want one. That's my present. Oh, I'm sorry. It's not all your present.
That's okay.
Then you get a present.
Okay.
Then raise you a present. What's a present?
When?
Now.
Here, come open that one.
Later.
Okay.
Mommy, sometimes you get double presents.
Sometimes I get girl presents.
Sometimes
Will you share your presents with Mommy and Daddy?
yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's very nice of you.
Look!
Turn around, I can't see. I can't see what Santa got you. What is it?
I can't tell you yet. A game!
Is it a video game?
Yeah, mine!
Cool.
My video game. Hey, Daddy, he brought one of these Cheetos.
He ate his Cheetos?
Santa was eating your Cheetos?
Yeah. I have to this huge box. I'm so Mommy and Daddy. I can't move it.
What is it?
It's a big car. It's a huge big car.
Oh, really?
I can lift it up.
Oh.
Look, I'm strong. And a huge big car.
That's
Look.
Cool.
wow. You like it?
Yeah.